Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I would like to share with you this beginner's junk journal kit. Now, even though I say it's beginner's junk journal kit, it can be used for any level of experience, but mainly I really tried to focus on someone who is just starting out and needed supplies and things and wanted to start off with a base journal. Now, this is how your journal will arrive. It has a tag here that says thank you for your purchase and a little fabric tag. And these can also be used in your journal. I tied it with this cute little fabric bow. And it is attached with a bulb pen that you could use later on in your journal. Now, at first, you will get a pack of fabrics that you can use to make tags or use as embellishments in your journal. And inside, you will find several different beautiful pieces of fabrics that I have chosen. Now, each pack, I have like 5 packs of these journals, and each one will vary slightly. The fabrics in there, the design, they slightly varies. So, even though I'm showing you this one, it's not necessarily that you will be getting this exact set, but it will more be like this. And then you will get a pack of ephemera to use in your journal so that you can begin decorating your journal immediately. And you will also get a pack of papers that you can use. Now, inside is the journal. Let's get to seeing what this journal looks like on the inside. Now, I left the cover plain. Has this wallpaper design, and it is stitched around so that you can easily decorate it. It is stitched there, so you can easily have a nice little base to decorate. Inside, I used a lot of beautiful papers. This is one of the papers that I designed, and this one as well. I thought it just look at how it complements these pages. This was actually an index page from an atlas, and this is some Maggie Holmes paper. This I typed on my typewriter. It's actually typed. It says better an oops than a what if. This is another Maggie Holmes paper. And there is a pink music paper. I thought that was really cute. And this paper has the brown with a craft paper with a brown lace embellishment on the side. This is another paper that I designed. I wanted to put the leaves on there. And flipping through, there go another page with the leaves. And this is the other side. Now this one flips out there. And see, it's a beautiful base for you to go ahead and do your journaling and design this book however you would like. It has some really cute pages. This is actually a pattern paper. It is vintage pattern paper. It was a Civil War pantaloon paper. And that will complete the end of this journal. Let's get this off. And that is the end. And that is how your journal will arrive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. And this journal is available in my Etsy shop, so please go there and take a look. Until next time, bye-bye.